everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome to week 6 of the 2025 Make It Your Way Crochet Along. Today we are working an edging around our blankets, and I'm going to start here with my Tranquil Blue Blanket, and we're going to work a simple picot edging all the way around. So by this time you will have worked a total of 20 squares. You will have single crocheted or sewn together your squares, and now you're just left with this rough edge that travels all the way around your blanket. And so we're going to work our edging around it just to finish it off nicely. When it comes to these stitch sampler blankets, I prefer to work a simple edging. I find it really sets off the texture in the blanket, so we're not going to make it too complicated. Just a few notes before I get going here. If this is your first time hearing about the Make It Your Way Crochet Along, you can find down in the description of this video the direct link to the free introductory post, which will tell you all about it, as well as a direct link to the free written instructions for the edging that we are going to work today. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe. Take a look around. Even though the Crochet Along is coming to a close for this time of year, free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials will continue to be posted here on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe. So we're going to jump into our edging. I've saved about 500 yards of yarn for our edging, and you're simply going to begin by joining with a slip stitch into any spot on the blanket. I'm going to start here just before the corner because there's a couple of things I want to show you as we work. So you're just going to insert your hook. I have the right side of my blanket facing me. Grab your yarn and pull through. You're then going to chain 1. We're now going to work for this first round 1. And I am working with my color A, the blue color, which is the darker of the two colors I've chosen. And you're going to work single crochet in each stitch around. So single crochet all the way across to your first corner. When you come to your first corner, you had a total of 3 single crochet stitches that were worked into that corner stitch. Into the second of those 3 stitches, so into the stitch on the very corner, you're going to work 3 single crochet stitches all into that same stitch. You're then going to continue around your blanket, so just continue working 1 single crochet in each stitch across. Now I do have a little technique that I like to work when I come to the seam where I've joined 2 squares together. So when I come all the way across there, I'll just show you what I like to do, and it's going to give your edge a nice clean finish. When you come across to a seam, you can simply work a single crochet into your corner stitches, but what I like to do is work a single crochet 3 together and pick up the stitch, the first stitch in our seam as I go. So I'm going to insert my hook into the first corner stitch where you have already worked your seam. So insert, yarn over, draw up a loop. I'm then going to insert my hook through the top of the stitch, the single crochet, the final one on that seam row. So just insert your hook through the top of the stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop. Then into the next corner stitch on the next square, insert your hook, yarn over, draw up a loop with 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all 4. That's going to give you a nice clean edge as you come around. You're then going to continue working single crochet stitches all the way across the next square. Now, if you remember, we worked a total of 37 single crochet stitches across each of our squares. Plus, we have our stitch worked into the seam and our 3 single crochet stitches in each corner. That means that at the end of this round, after we've worked all the way around, we're going to come to the first stitch and join with a slip stitch. And at the end of this first round, if you've worked the blanket as I have, you will have a total of 692 single crochet, or I shouldn't say single crochet stitches, just stitches, single crochets, and then your single crochet 3 together. So a total of 692 stitches all the way around. I'm working 37 across each side, 1 in each seam, and 3 in each of my corners. I'm almost across to my next seam, so once again I'm going to show you how I'm working through that seam again. It really does just give it a nice clean look at the end. So come all the way across. So once you come across into your corner of the first square, insert your hook, yarn over, draw up a loop. Then insert your hook in the final stitch of your seam. I'm inserting it under those top 2 loops, yarn over, draw up a loop. Then into the corner stitch on the next square, insert your hook, yarn over, draw up a loop. 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 4. Continue, single crochet all the way across. Meet me back here when you come to the end of round 1. Once you come all the way around at the end of round 1 of your Tranquil Blue Blanket, you've worked single crochets all the way around and you have 692 stitches, you're going to join with a slip stitch into the top of your first stitch. Do not turn your work. We're going to continue working in the same direction. You're going to chain 1 and then work a single crochet into each of the first 2 stitches. So single crochet and single crochet. You're then going to work a picot stitch. To work your picot, you're going to chain 3 and then either back down into the 3rd chain from your hook or through the single crochet below. I prefer to work through the single crochet below because it's going to give me a nice tight stitch. You're going to work 1 slip stitch, so you're going to end up with this little bump here. You're then going to work a single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches and repeat, work 1 picot. Single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches and picot. When you come to your corner stitch, as I have here, you've worked those 3 stitches into the corner stitch. You have this one in the middle, that's your corner stitch. You're going to continue to work that pattern, 2 single crochets followed by picot, all into this corner stitch. So 1 single crochet into the corner, 2 single crochets into the corner, and then picot. You'll want to have a total of 3 single crochet stitches into that corner stitch. So I am going to work 1 more single crochet into my corner, 1 single crochet into the next stitch for 2, followed by picot. Single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches and picot. You're going to repeat this process, single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, followed by your picot all the way around until you come back to your first stitch. Once you come all the way around, at the end of round 2, you're going to join with a slip stitch into the top of your first single crochet stitch. At that time, you can then take your yarn scissors and fasten off. You're going to have a total of 700 single crochet stitches in that final round. You can then go ahead and take your yarn needle, tuck in your tail, and then go ahead and repeat that process for any ends that you might have sticking out. And that's it. That's all there is to working the beautiful Picot edging that you're finding in the Tranquil Blue Blanket crochet pattern. So thank you so much for joining me. And once again, while you're here, I invite you to subscribe, take a look around. I look forward to seeing all of your finished Make It Your Way Crochet Along blankets. If you happen to post it on social media, do be sure to tag Rich Textures Crochet. And I always love to come by and admire your work. Until next time, enjoy your blankets. I'll see you soon. Bye.